We want to find the exact value of cosine 165 degrees take away the cosine of 75 degrees. We know that cos P minus cos Q is identical to minus 2 times the sine of P plus Q over 2 times the sine of P minus Q over 2. This is one of our sum and product formulae. So here we have the cosine of 165 degrees take away the cosine of 75 degrees. This is going to be equal to, remember this is an equal sign, not an identity, as we're now using particular values. So it will be minus 2 times the sine of 165 plus 75 divided by 2 times the sine of 165 take 75 divided by 2. So this is minus 2 times the sine of 240 divided by 2, which is 120, times the sine of 90 divided by 2, which is 45. So we have minus 2 times the sine of 120. If we look at 120, it's here in the S quadrant. The associated acute angle is 60. It follows that the sine of 120 is the same as the sine of 60, multiplied by sine 45. This is minus 2. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, and sine 45 is 1 over root 2. What remains is to tidy. The 2's cancel, so we get minus root 3 over root 2, and multiplying top and bottom by root 2 gives us minus root 6. Root 3 times root 2 is root 6, divided by 2.